Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation in differential equation. So if dy by dx is equal to f of xy by g of xy and degree of f of xy is equal to degree of gxy, means degree of this one and degree of gx are equal, then this equation is said to be homogeneous equation. First, this condition should be applied. After this, the method is step to solve homogeneous equation. So what is the, for the given any equation, check degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. If it is equal, then after seeing this equation is homogeneous, write dy by dx is equal to f of xy by g of xy, first equation. Put y is equal to vx. Wherever y is there, substitute vx. Then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute, mark it as third equation. This is second equation, this is third equation. Third, substitute in 2. So substitute equation 2, 3 in first and arrange the equation as variable separable form and then integrate to obtain required solution. Okay. Next, note, if the question is as dx by dy is equal to f of xy by g of xy, mark it as first equation. Here, since x term in the numerator, y term in the denominator, so first check the condition for the homogeneous, whether they are equal. Then put here y is equal to x by y, second equation. Dx by dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy, third equation. Substitute second, third in first equation. Arrange the equation in as variable separable form and then integrate to obtain required solution. Now let us go for the problems. Solve y square minus 2xy by x square minus 2y. Mark it as first equation. See here, y square degree 2, x power of 1, y power of 1, 1 plus 1 2, power 2, numerator degree 2, it's okay. Now x square degree 2, power 1, 2. So numerator is equal to denominator, both the degree is 2. So it is a homogeneous equation. Next, what is the procedure? This is the, mark it as first equation. Put y is equal to vx, second equation. Differentiate with respect to x. So what we will get? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Mark it as third equation. Substitute 3, 2 in 1. This is our second equation, first equation, given problem. What is dv by dx? Dy by dx, v plus x dv by dx is equal to y. What is y? Vx whole square minus 2x. What is y? Vx by x square minus x. What is y? Vx. LHS is same, is equal to v square x square minus 2x square v by x square minus x into x square v. So from the numerator, take out x square common, v square minus 2v remain by take out x square common from the denominator, 1 minus v. So x square cancel. What is the remaining thing? V plus x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 2v by 1 minus v. Send plus v to there, minus v. Now simplify, x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 2v. So cross multiply, v square minus 2v minus v into 1 minus v by 1 minus v. Open the bracket, minus v plus v square. V square minus 2v minus v plus v square by 1 minus v. So v square plus v square 2v square minus 2v minus v minus 3v by 1 minus v. See here, this is v term and this is x term. So bring it here. So this 1 minus v in the denominator, it will come up numerator, and this numerator will come in denominator, and take v common. 2v minus 3 is equal to dx by x. So now it is variable separable form, x one side, v one side. Now here first we will solve this, since we will use partial fraction to solve this. So let 1 minus v by v 2v minus 3 is equal to a by v plus b by 2v minus 3. Fifth equation. Now LCM is 1 minus v is equal to cross multiply a into 2v minus 3 plus b into v. This one cancel. Now put v is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to a 2 into 0 minus 3 plus b into 0. 1 minus 0 1 is equal to 2 0 0 minus 3 minus 3a plus 0. So a is equal to minus 1 by 3. So we got a is equal to minus 1 by 3. Since here 2v minus 3, so 2v minus 3 goes to that side, become plus 3. V is equal to 3 by 2. Put v is equal to 3 by 2 in sixth equation. So 1 minus 3 by 2 is equal to a into 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3 plus b into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 cancel, 3 minus 3 0, 0 into something 0 plus 3b by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2, 2 cancel, b is equal to minus 1 by 3. So substitute ab in fifth equation. So this answer is equal to, what is a? Minus 1 by 3 plus what is b? Minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now substitute 7 in fourth equation. So here minus 1 by 3 v plus minus 1 by 3 1 by this one dv is equal to this one. Take out minus 1 by 3 outside. 1 by v plus 1 by 2v minus 3 dv is equal to dx by x. So now integrate and send it here. So integration 1 by v dv plus integration 1 by 2v minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into integration 1 by x dx. Integration 1 by v log v plus integration 1 by v log 2v minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 integration 1 by x log x plus constant I will write as 3 log c. Now log v as it is plus this I will write as 1 by 2 log 2v minus 3 is equal. This minus 3 log x I will bring it to here and 3 will go there. So log x cube is equal to log c cube. Now log a plus log b plus log c. So log a into b into c, and this 1 by 2 will go there. Power rule from logarithm. Log cancel, x cube v root of 2v minus 3 is equal to c. Constant c cube c constant. So x cube as it is, what is v? Y by x. Root of 2, what is v? Y by x minus 3. This 1x cancel, this 1x cancel. So x square y into root of 2y minus 3x by x is equal to c. This is the solution, or you can write as x. If I take x square, multiply both sides by x, so the final answer is xy root of 2xy minus 3x square is equal to c. This is the final solution. Next question, solve x square plus y square dx is equal to 2xy dy. See here, this is dy. Bring it here, so dy by dx, so x square plus y square there, send it there. So now see, this is f of x, power 2 power 2. So in the numerator degree is 2, x1 y1 means degree 2. So degree is equal to 2. Both numerator is equal to denominator. So it is a homogeneous equation, differential equation. Mark it as first equation. Put y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x means dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now substitute in first equation. This is our given problem. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square plus what is y? Vx whole square by 2x. What is y? Vx. This one same is equal to x square plus v square x square by 2vx square. Take out x square common, 1 plus v square by 2vx square. This x square cancel. So left side is equal to 1 plus v square by 2v. Plus v goes to that side, it become minus v. Cross multiply 2v into v, 2v square. So x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square by 2v. So this is v term. Bring it here. So dv 2v will come up and 1 minus v square will come here. So thereby v term one side is equal to dx by x term one side, y term one side. Now see here, this is v square derivative 2v. Here it is minus. So I am writing as minus of minus 2v by 1 minus v square, integration and integration. So minus outside f dash x by fx log of fx 1 minus v square is equal to integration 1 by x log x plus constant I am writing log c. So this minus will send to there, it become plus log 1 minus v square plus log x plus log c is equal to 0. We know that log a plus log b plus log c, log a into b into c. So log 1 minus v square into x into c is equal to 0. So 1 minus v square xc is equal to, send it there. So log 0 become e power of 0. So xc 1 minus v square is equal to e power of 0, 1. So now substitute the value of y, v. xc 1 minus what is v? Y by x whole square is equal to 1. xc cross multiply y square by x square means x square minus y square by x square is equal to 1. This 1x cancel and 1x cancel. C into x square minus v square by x is equal to 1. So c into x square minus y square is equal to x. This is the solution. Next question. Solve x y square dy, if this is important question, minus x cube plus y cube dx equal to 0. Send it to there first of all. So x cube plus y cube dx. Here dy, bring dx here. So dy by dx is equal to x cube plus y cube. Send it there. Check whether the degree are same. Degree 3, degree 3. Here power 2, power 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So degree is equal to 3. Both numerator is equal to denominator. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. Mark it as first equation. What is the solution? Put y is equal to vx. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. This is second equation and this is third equation. Substitute in first equation. What is dy by dx? V plus x dv by dx is equal to x cube plus what is y? Vx whole cube by x. What is y? Vx whole square. Left side as it is, x cube plus v cube x cube by v square x square into x. So take out x cube common, x cube. So what is the remain? 1 plus v cube by, in the denominator, x square into x cube into v square. X cube cancel. Left side same as it is equal to 1 plus v cube by v square. Plus v sent to that side, it become minus v. Cross multiply v square into minus v cube plus v cube minus 1 cube v cube cancel. So x dv by dx is equal to 1 by v square. So now separate them using variable separable. So v square will come here. So v square dv, dx sent to that side, dx by x. So v term one side, x term one side, variable separable. Now integrate, integration this one, integration this one. V square integration, v power of 3 by 3 is equal to 1 by x log x plus c, constant. I am writing as log c, constant. So v cube sent to there. So 3 into log ab, log x into c. What is v? Y by x whole cube is equal to 3 into log cx. So y cube by x cube is equal to 3 log c. So send it here. Y cube is equal to 3x cube into log cx. This is the answer. Next question, very important. Solve x sec y by x into y dx plus x dy is equal to y cosec y by x into x dy minus y dx. So this is our problem. Here take out dx common from the both side. This is here dx. So x sec y, here see, if I take y dx common, so y plus x dv by dx is equal to, take out dx common, so y cosec y by x dy by dx minus y will be there. Okay, so this dx cancel. What is the remain? X sec y by x, y plus x dv by dx is equal to y cosec y by x into dy by dx minus y will remain. So open the bracket, x into sec y by x into y, xy sec y by x plus x into sec y, x into x square sec y by x dy by dx is equal to, here multiply y into x, xy cosec y by x dy by dx minus y into y square cosec y by x. Now dy term one side, constant one side. So this x square sec y by x dy by dx here, and this plus 1 will come here, it become minus xy cosec y by x dy by dx is equal to, here right side minus y square cosec y by x plus of this will come here, become minus xy sec y by x. From here, what is the common? X dy by dx, x dy by dx. Take out x dy by dx common. So x sec y by x minus y cosec y by x is equal to, here take minus y common. So y cosec y by x plus x sec y by x. Now only I need dy by dx left side. So dy by dx is equal to, numerator as it is, send it into the denominator. So this will come in the denominator. Minus y by x is equal to this denominator here by this one. Now dy by dx is equal to minus, see here, y cosec y by x plus here x plus sec y by x by Here I am taking y common. So first I will take cosec. Since in the numerator cosec is first, so I am bringing y cosec y by x minus x sec y by x. So this minus will become plus. I am changing here. See, I mark it as color same. I have, see, plus minus become plus. So cosec will come here and this will go there. Mark it as first equation. This is very important question. Here just to check degree 1, degree 1. So degree of y1 y square x into x square. So numerator is equal to denominator degree 2. This is also a homogeneous equation of degree 2. What is the method? Put y is equal to vx. This is first equation. The y is equal to vx. Second equation, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Mark it as third equation. Substitute second, third in first equation. This one is lengthy problem. So dy by dx is equal to, this is our problem. What is dy by dx? V plus x dv by dx is equal to, what is y? Vx by x is equal to, what is y? Vx cosec vx by x plus x sec, what is y? Vx by x by y means vx cosec vx by x minus x, what sec, what is y? Vx by x. This x cancel, vx cosec x cancel cosec v plus x sec x cancel sec v by vx cosec x cancel cosec v minus x cancel x sec v. Now here take out x common from the numerator, x common from the denominator, x cancel. So what is the remaining thing? V plus x dv by dx is equal to v into v cosec v plus sec v by v cosec v minus sec v. So v, what is cosec? 1 by sine plus sec 1 by cos by v, what is cosec? 1 by sine minus cosec means 1 by sine minus sec means 1 by cos. So now take the LCM, v as it is outside, v cos v plus sin v by cos v sin v by v cos v minus sin v by sin v cos v. This sin v cancel and this v will bring it here. So what is the remain? X dv by dx is equal to v into v square cos v plus sin v by v cos v minus sin v minus of v. Now cross multiply, left side as it is, v square cos v plus v sin v, here minus v into v minus v square sin v, minus into minus plus v sin v by denominator v cos v minus sin v, plus 1 cancel minus plus, see here, minus v into v square cos v, this one cos v. So plus v square minus v square cancel, v sin v plus v sin v 2v sin v by v cos v minus sin v. So now this is dv and these are v term. So numerator will come in the denominator and this denominator will go to the numerator dv, and x by dx will come here, it become dx by x and 2 same here. So v cos v minus sin v by 2v sin v dv. Split this, write v cos v by this one minus sin v by 2 sin v. V cos v by 2v sin v minus sin v by 2v sin v. V cancel, cos by sin cot, minus sin cancel 1 by 2v. So take 1 by 2 common, take 1 by cos by sin cot v minus Sin cancel 1 by 2v. So take 1 by 2 common. So cot v minus 1 by v is equal to 2 into this one. So integration this one 2 and multiply by 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Cot v, integration cot v minus integration 1 by v dv is equal to 2 2s are 4 integration 1 by x dx. Cot v integration log sin v mod minus integration 1 by v log v is equal to this one 4 log x plus log c. So log a minus log b means log sin v by v is equal to log x power of 4 into c. This log cancel. Sin v by v is equal to x power of 4 into c. So sin v is equal to, send it there, v into x power of 4 sin xc. Sin as it is, what is v? Y by x is equal to v means y by x power of 4. So this one cancel and one cancel means 3 remain. Sin y by x is equal to x power of 3 y into c. This is the answer. Now let us see another problem. This is also very important question. Given the solution of x sin square y by x dx is equal to y dx minus x dy, which passes through the point 1 comma pi by 4. Now given equation, so x square sin y by x dx is equal to y dx minus, so this dx term one side, so bring it here minus and take out dx common. So x sin square y by x minus y is equal to into dx is equal to minus x dy by dx. So dy, send dx there. So dy by dx is equal to, here same, x sin square y by x minus y by minus x. So left side as it is. So minus into minus plus y, minus into plus minus x sin square y by x by x. First equation. See here, power 1, power 1, power 1. Here power 1, here power 1. So it is a homogeneous equation of degree 1. Mark it as first equation. Put y is equal to vx. Second equation, differentiate with respect to x. So what is the d by dx? dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substitute second, third in first equation. This is our first problem. What is dy by dx? V plus x dv by dx is equal to v y vx minus x sin square y vx by x by divided by x. See, this x cancel and take x common, v minus sin square v by x. This x cancel. What is the remain? Left side v plus x dv by dx is equal to v minus sin square v. Plus v goes to that side, it becomes minus v. Minus v plus v cancel. So what is the remaining thing? X dy by dx is equal to minus sin square v. Y term one side. So dy by minus sin square y is equal to dx by x. So dv, this is dv. So 1 by sin square y, cosec square v, 1 by sin square v, cosec square v, dv minus as it is outside, integration, minus cosec square integration minus cot v is equal to integration 1 by x log x plus c. So minus into minus plus c, cot v is equal to log x plus c. Cot, what is v? Y by x is equal to log x plus c. Fourth equation. But in the question, this is passes through 1 comma pi by 4. This is x, this is y. So cot, what is y? Pi by 4. By what is x? 1. Is equal to log x means 1 plus c. Cot pi by 4 by 1 pi by 4 is equal to log 1. Formula log 1 0 plus c. Cot 45 1 is equal to c. So we got c value first. C is equal to 1. Substitute here. So substitute c is equal to 1 in fourth equation. So cot y by x is equal to log x plus 1. That's all.